Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Life from Nutrition. So welcome to a new art video. So today I'm gonna give a tutorial, or like I'm gonna explain how to do. If you're creating a YouTube channel of art, then here is a very great example for you all. So if you want to create an art banner with your own art, you can create it with one of my idea. So if you would like it, please like, share, subscribe it. So let's start. So here I made a Harry Potter sketch. So yeah, Harry Potter fans, I know they will be liking this. So let's begin with the details how I have made it. So first, I am as a beginner. I said in my last video of Narendra Modi video, the sketch one, I used the grid method. So after setting up the grid, but one thing was that I didn't take the whole photo in the grid, only the face. This face part is only in the part of the grid. The hair and this much, this overall suit, the dress he's wearing of Hogwarts school is out of the grid part. So this grid will be a bit smaller, and you should leave space on the both sides, this side and this side also equally, or else it can be a bit smaller there, but most probably you have to take half, like more equal in distance from both sides. So after drawing this outline sketch and then coming towards shading part, so first let's start with the eyes, because the main focus in this portrait sketching will be the eyes and the specs and the his eyebrows and the hair detailing. So the eyes are made up of two pencils, like the two shading pencils, 4B and HB. So the dark parts are shaded with 4B, and the lighter parts and the light touch-up details inside this are also not made with 4B, they are made with HB. And same process will be in this eye also. 4B the darker and HB the lighter, and light touch-ups of 4B are given on the both side of eye. This lines and this shadings are also in the with 4B pencil touch-ups. Now coming towards the specs was very easy. So first, rough outline can be taken for the specs while you are making the sketching, like not shading, just like making a sketching. So after that, if you think that it should be need more like improvement, so you can then first draw it with a pencil. So if you are thinking that it should need more improvement, then you can skip this eye shading part and then first complete the specs and come towards this eye shading parts. After completing of the shading of eye, you can come to a specs. So specs is done with 4B pencil, only one pencil. So you have to achieve the darkness of the each pencil. So here, after creating with 4B shades, this part also is with 4B. And I have in the middle is a light shade, as it was like spotlight. Like you have to assume on the photo about how dark should the shade be and how light should the shade be. After doing that, now coming towards in the photo, there was a reflection of his specs, which is made here, and it is also made with 4B and HB mix. So this part, like which is their shadow, is which is light, so it is made with HB pencil, and the dark shading is made with 4B pencil, because we are going to reflect the specs, so we can't just change the shades or it will not match with the specs reflection according to the photo. And now coming towards the nose, so the nose is highlights are made, the dark parts are made with 4B pencil again, and then the light parts are made with HB and 2B pencil. So the darker with 2B and the lighter with HB. After completing the nose, now let's come towards his lips. Lips are with two pencil. No, two. Yeah, two. HB and 4B. The darker parts with 4B and the lighter with HB. Now, after completing the main detailed sketchings, now come towards the skin. So the skin is of two grades of pencil. One is our HB, which is the most common thing if you're having a light shades. And after that, where it is dark, you have to use the 2B or 3B pencil, because they are best for detailing with HB. And if you want, you can see, like I have given tutorials like how to create arts, and that you can see in my starting videos. So there also will be available, and you can see how I have like made it, like how you have to create arts. Now let's leave and come towards our topic back. And so after completing the face, now let's come towards the uniform. So these dark parts are made with HB shaded, and then we have to just blend it up a bit dark. After that, this is left white, and then the pencil as he was wearing the dress. Now coming towards the tie. Tie is made up of two grades of pencil. One, this darker parts are made with 4B and the lighter parts are made with HB. So now let's just shade it up, then come towards the main thing, which is hair. So hair are made with two pencils, HB and 4B. And if you want to like give light touch-ups, I have used in my pencil this 0.5 and 0.7 pencil to give touch-ups on the hair. So draw straight lines with 6B pencil, and in the photo, if there is like light hair, like is there any light or light hair, you can leave some space and then complete all 6B. Then come towards HB, the light parts, and shade it up. And then after that, it is like you can just stop it over there. Then if you see if it's good, then no need of using your mechanical pencil. If it's not good and you want to give extra touch up, so you can use the mechanical pencil like this. I'm going to show how to do it. I have to do like this. Like it should like resemble the hair. So here it was like this. So I had did this touch up with the sheet, means the hairs I meant. And then this side it was a bit like this and like this. And this side it was like this. So it's not like you have to copy the same hair as it is given in the photo. You can like, if you want change, you can like make how I had made. Like it was not like, it's not copy. It's just a difference. This is different and the photo which I have made from is different. After that, after completing the hair, the sketching is done. But the thing is,